Okay. Your screen sharing. Great. Okay, so everyone can see the screen, I hope. So, yes. First of all, yeah. I hope that, well, I guess all of you that are here today, you found your name in this list that I posted to Discord. And yeah, if you don't see your name and you believe your name should be here, then you need to yeah, contact me as soon as possible, because yeah, you need to start your project as well. Because the thing is that yeah, on this list there is 17 students, but somehow I heard the name 18, and then I'm slightly worried that there is one student that somehow is signed up for the exam but didn't do the labs, or I have no idea exactly. But yeah, anyway, I posted this list on Discord and also on the Canvas. So yeah, if you know who might be missing, or yeah, someone asks you about this, then yeah, just tell them to reach out so that we can assign them a paper too. Because I'll just keep the chat window here, because the idea now was that I have all your names here in the order that I found on the student web. And then you have the project that you should start today. And today wrong repository. I updated the description with links to each paper. So these are the 10 papers, and each of you will get one paper from the group A here, and then one paper from the group B. And then none of you should get the same combination of paper. And yeah, to make it as fair as possible, I will just do this randomly. So I have written all the combinations here. It's possible because you have of course 4 from the group A and 6 from the group B, so in total it should be 24 possible combinations that we can have. And yeah, I wanted to just take this into the random.org list randomizer I have, and then just do randomize maybe 5 times, and then take the first 17 and assign it to the 17 first students here. So yeah, if there is one person that's missing somehow, he or she should just yeah, get one of these other combinations, I think. But yeah, let's see if that person appears or not. So yeah, so as you obviously know that these papers are not equal. They don't have the same content and the same text. So the idea here is not that you should feel that, oh, I'm so unlucky I got the most difficult paper, or that you are so lucky that you got the most easy one, because there isn't any such um, papers that are significantly more easy or more difficult than the other ones. And anyway, the idea is that we expect the same kind of work from you, even if the paper can be more difficult to understand or not. So also that I put in an important note here that once you get your paper assigned, or even you can do it right now, just try to download these papers while the links are working, because all of them link to external sites, and they can be taken down in the future. But if you notice that there are or the link doesn't work anymore, just write to me, and then I will try to find another link, or put the paper on Canvas or something. But yeah, for now all these links are working. And yeah, so all of these all of you will get these protocols, but and we are giving you one paper for each of the protocols, but you are also free, and we also encourage you to find other sources. It can be videos or presentations or other things that can aid you in understanding the protocol. If you find the paper to be difficult, then it can be helpful to find other sources that discusses the same topic from another angle. And then yes, or I put a link here to a presentation regarding how to write a systems paper, and this can be helpful for you to go through to see you know that that you should what you should and shouldn't do when writing a paper. So it can be useful for you to see. And then also one of the grading criteria is the use of LaTeX, and then the proper formatting of your report. And then it can be useful for you to use this template that Leander have provided for his DAT520 course. And of course, this course expects a more involved report, but still you can use this as a starting point to get started with LaTeX, and to see examples of how to put in figures, how to put in sections, etc. So the main idea about this one is that it's more everything that's stated in here doesn't apply for our report, but still you can use this kind of template to see what kinds of sections and things that can be useful to put into your report. So yes, please contact me or ask if you have any questions about how to write the report, etc. And better to do that as soon as possible. And of course, you are free to use the Discord chat to ask other students, because they will also be writing a report. But as always, you cannot cheat in any form, and no collaboration or plagiarism. So be very diligent and careful with this, that you don't cheat, because it will result in a failed grade for you. Yes, and of course, if you are using any external sources, obviously you will use your assigned papers. Then put a proper citation to all the things that you use. Okay, so yes, I shared this template with you a while ago, and I think we already went through it. Yeah, I want a PDF document that you will upload to Canvas, and at some point I will figure out how I can make such a place to upload things on Canvas, and then I will share the link to you. So that's a minor detail, and please limit your report to maximum 3,000 words. And we don't have a minimal limit, so if you feel that you're able to give a good answer with less words, that's great. And I plan to have a supervision session with each of you individually for maybe 15-20 minutes. I will see more details on that and try to set up a schedule for that on the 18th. So that's roughly in the middle of the project period. And of course, for most of you, you will, or I shouldn't say most of you, but a lot of you will maybe have different things on this day, or you maybe have exams, or I don't know. But yeah, I will try to post a schedule ahead of time, and you should come back to me if the time doesn't fit. Yes. So, are there any questions about this that you have now? Would you please explain what you mean exactly by exceeding margins? Yeah, so what I mean by this is that you don't exceed this limitation that we have of 3,000 words. That you know, you don't come and deliver a 5,000 word report or more. You know, that I want that you are able to give your report and answer within 300 words, 3,000 words, sorry. So I think this is roughly 6 pages, because as I remember, they usually estimate around 500 words per page if you just use text. But of course, with figures, etc., it will increase. But yeah, the meaning behind this bullet point is that you don't, yeah, you don't write more than this. Yes. All right. Was that the only questions, or so are we ready to do the assignment? So at least when I did this before, it was working. So I will just do it 5 times, and then we can see. So this was number 2, 3, 4, and 5. So if we take the first 17 here, actually I can just take all of them, copy, and then I was able to make this work before by just using this. And now, yeah, so now this should be the papers that you are assigned. So, okay, this column was kind of messed up. Yeah. So I will post this to the Discord channel. Maybe I can do it now. And then we can where is that? Papers assigned. And see. Yeah. And I can of course just share this too, and so I will put that to the Canvas 2, and yeah, here you can find your name, and yeah, just start to download the papers as soon as possible, and yeah, start by reading them, and then doing the things that I want you to write here. Okay, so that was the main idea that I have had for today. So there are no further questions. Anything unclear? The deadline, it will be the June 2nd at 3 o'clock. So yeah, I will put an upload page to Canvas. And yes, So for our meeting, the 18th, please, don't come to this meeting and you haven't started yet. You should already have be halfway on your project. Um, so um, so that's that. You're awful quiet, but I hope that you understand what you should do. And yeah, just contact me or the TAs if you um, need some explanations about what you should do for the report. Yeah, you might have more questions when you read it, but that's why I posted it a month ago. But anyway, I didn't have any questions since I posted this. So I guess that's how it usually is, that you don't have any questions until you start. So yeah, I'm the same way. So anyway, just send any emails or chats on Discord if there's anything that's unclear. Yeah. Okay, so that was the what I had for today. So yeah, just good luck, and I hope to read a lot of good reports. Okay, then yeah, see you all. Bye bye.